What's up, guys? It's Autumn,
And JSB here.
and we're doing a homemade mukbang.
Mukbang.
So first off, we made these vegetarian sandwiches. We've got a black bean veggie patty
Damn, that's good.
with toasted ciabatta bread and melted cheddar on it, mayonnaise and lettuce, and then salad. We've got chopped cheddar, carrots, dried cranberry, and sunflower seeds, and some good old ranch dressing. And it's delicious. So,
My glasses.
no.
It's good, ain't it?
Oh yeah, that powder is going.
So what you do, you?
Huh?
You gotta write it down.
Vegetarian. I'm a good sandwich maker. This is not my first famous sandwich.
You gotta write this down. In my notes. Gotta spin back.
You gotta go to Trader Joe's for all the ingredients. Thank you. Trader Joe's is where it's at. So, we are a year and some change into our relationship. And
We are good. That's all y'all need to know.
it's been a good long ride.
I'm like slouching my back. Get my tea.
Tea? Damn, this is really good. Let's be. Oh.
Sip.
Let's see. What can we talk about? What can we talk about? Are you supposed to talk about something during these things?
Nope.
No?
Just be us. They came here, or Will Watkins came here to see us. And we the stars. Yeah, watch us eat. That's how important we are.
Rate the sandwich. Rate the sandwich 1 to 10.
I'm honest. I'm not honest to get us out of 10. For sure.
It was good. It was real good. I'll never go to Beyond Meat ever again.
That was just some experimental shit. Anyway. already knew.
I'm getting full.
But you're eating too fast, that's why.
Yeah. I don't know how to not eat fast.
It's like,
I catch myself swallowing my food because I'm so hungry.
take small bites. It's like my dog. Napkins. Get bloated again.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. Wait, what was that black bean?
The powder?
And what was the package called?
It is.
You got more left over?
Yeah, there's 2 more.
You got some more ciabatta bread left over too?
Yeah, there's 2 more. Make yourself a sandwich. It's Quinoa Cowboy is the brand, and it's veggie burger with black beans and roasted corn. And the ingredients.
I gotta put that shit in my notes.
So yeah, I got to your little list.
It's 1 meal. Honestly, it's 2 meals actually.
That's salad. Yeah, the sesame seeds, sunflower seeds add some protein. The dried cranberries add some. I gotta look up what the nutritional facts are about dried cranberries, but oh yeah, same as cranberries. It's cranberry. And then you got your carrots and everything else. So it's good shit. It's good. Ooh, I'm gonna make some tea. Something hot to wash this down. You want some senna tea. The stuff I just bought, it's senna chamomile.
Can I get some of that?
Oh yeah.
I think that's like the best thing to eat. I didn't tell y'all because like secret recipe.
The buffet's open.
Somebody be like plinking trying to steal secret recipe.
It's open all night.
Yeah. 24/7.
24/7.
Anywhere, anytime. It's 1 lunch. I'm full.
Woo!
You got all the protein and everything I need.
You should take a picture of the box so you don't forget.
You know, I am.
And the bread too. The bread is very important. You can't just do it with any bread.
I know.
A veggie patty with black bean and roasted corn. Oh fuck, I'm full.
And you better be full again.
Damn, I'm good. Holy fuck. I need to clean this kitchen. Alright, here. These are the ingredients.
Where is it from?
What?
That block of cheese.
Trader Joe's.
Mm.
This whole meal is from Trader Joe's. All of it.
We got it in Florida.
Yeah. That's pretty good up for them.
I was looking for your broom. I ain't find it. Take a shower with me. My eye, look at my eye. Get ready.